Whole cake, 7,500 calorie cake. It was only $2, man. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's up with everybody? Just came from the yard. Got my 30 minutes in. Hey, make sure y'all wear y'all mask, homie. Where your mask at, homie?
Sorry, I'm putting it on now.
So yeah, man, what's up with y'all? I know y'all ain't seen me in a minute. A lot been going on, man, on the internet. I know y'all seen a month or two ago. You know what I mean? I had to get on the troll, man. I want to apologize to my fans out there. You know what I mean? I just when people threaten my livelihood, when they threaten my life, my family, I gotta handle my business, homie. Hey, my name, Kali Muscle, everything, bro. I don't play with fools out here. I told my girl I put about 10 million in the trust fund. Told her to take care of herself and the babies. Make sure she don't get her blew out, and we good when I get out. You know, all these IG bras be at me while I'm in jail, so if I come home and I feel like it's blew out, then I'm gonna have to go one of these IG. But come on, man, you know me, get me an OnlyFans bottle or something, man. Today, man, I got something special for y'all. I got a fruitcake. You know, these boys from Germany flew in, and I'm kind of scared because, you know, this little sickness pandemic going on, so I'm kind of scared to have them all up in my cell like this, man. So I agreed because they told me they was gonna give me 100,000 to do this video, and they was gonna post it on their channel or whatever. I know y'all used to seeing me do, I did another type of hyphy cake, did the little food spread thing. See, I got my gloves on, gotta have my mask out here, because a lot of these boys up in here been croaking, man. A lot of these boys up in here, they dope heads on that heroin. Now they using Xannies, they use that Howl Dog, that psych med because they don't want to deal with being in prison and stuff. Suckers, man. Any sucker that use Xannies, heroin, lean, suckers, bro. They can't be around me. I'm from the city of hyphy. That's why I got hyphy mud, bro. You know what I'm talking about? We get hyphy. Ain't none of that slow on the weed, on the heroin, lean, hella. You nod off at the light and the boy blow your brains out. We ain't with that, bro. If it don't make us buff or hyphy or smart, we don't want it. Y'all don't know nothing about that, man. We got some ginger snaps. You know what I mean? We got some fruit. When you can't get real fruit, you want to eat some of these, man. They got the save vitamin C, save vitamins, save probiotics in it, all right? Then you got the tropical mix. This got everything in it, man. You got your bananas, you got your peanuts, your raisins, you got some almonds in there. I know you little boys like the almonds and them almonds and they be eating the almonds and asparagus and broccoli and stuff. And why they can't get buff. Oh, there it is. Y'all better not snitch on the gangster, man. I got my little cell phone up in here. Got my little correctional all brought me. Y'all see what time it is. Same as on the streets. Don't be jealous, little boys. Yeah. And so anyway, we got our little honey over here. We got our tuna. We ain't gonna use that. We gonna use the cola. So I couldn't use Pepsi or Coca-Cola because they hating on the gangster. They came, y'all seen that hyphy other video I did, hyphy cake? They was hating on the gangster. They wanted a part piece of the money, of my money and stuff, and said, so I had to blur it out. And this company right here actually sponsored me, man. Sam's Cola, they going, man, I love them, man. They pay me $100K a month, man. We balling out here. We got a little of that Bugle, got some Folgers, got the Top Rabbit, got my book, man. Only dude on, hey, you know all those people y'all be riding on the coattail on their nuts. Y'all be, oh, Rat Deuce, whatever his name, Rat, this guy, that ain't none of them got an autobiography. Why? Because they scared to tell you about their life. That's why. They hiding in their house. You don't see them in public gym, public parks, at malls. You see me everywhere. I be skating with Shackler, Ryan and Shane Shackler. I be out with gangsters, Big Boy. I be everywhere. You don't see these suckers nowhere, bro, because they know if they come out, what's gonna happen. So this microwave right here, my beautiful little CO brought me. You know, it's the holiday season right now, so she got that little pretty little red, you know, a candy red. The paint job on this was 100,000, just on this microwave, man. So she also brought me this. I ain't supposed to have this, but this right here, man, y'all might see a little blood on it, you know what I mean? I had to get on a couple cats up in here, that's all. You know what I mean? Make sure I get that off real good, though. Let's see over there. There it is. So now we about to get to it, man. So we gonna start off with these ginger snaps, man. Bust this open. So let me, hey, this right here, whole box, load is 5,000 calories, man. So we got the ginger snaps just now. Open that shit, man. Get this shit up out of here, man. So you wanna bust a little hole in it. Let the air out right there. Then we go get the busting. Act like you busting and sucking his head, man. Rat, do, rat, do. Who else we got? We got Lenny. Lenny, get the noodles out. Oh, excuse me. Put my book up. Who we got? Who else out there hating on your boy? So you come here. You're gonna come up in here like this. Let's see, I wanna crunch it down a little more, man. I got a lot of anger now, so I wanna get some of my anger out. Bust his head. Knock his noodles out. Hey, knock his noodles out. Hey, noodles out. Hey, knock his noodles out. Hey. Oh, kill it, boy. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I be getting flashback. I'm gonna go ahead and saturate it a little bit now, bro. Boy. Sam's, good looking out, man. On the 100K a month, they pay me 100,000 a month. Oh man, that's better than Pepsi or Coca-Cola. There it is. We'll go ahead and saturate that with that boy. Let me see, where my spoon at? There it is. Got my spoon right here. So we're gonna let that marinate. Oh yeah, we gotta use this, probably this whole can right here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Right now, I just, I saved up $1 million because I'm about to get one of those social media AI robots. I don't even have to be on the internet no more. So they're making them up to look like me, and then I program them. And I could be living in Uganda or somewhere, but y'all would think I'm on the internet. So that's what I'm working on now. So I ain't even gotta mess with people no more. So I gotta make this a little thicker. You don't want it real watery. You want it thick when you put it in the microwave. And I don't recommend a microwave to a lot of people because a lot of y'all testosterone already low. So the microwave, if you got low testosterone already, it's gonna turn you into a hermaphrodite. So you don't want that, you know what I mean? You don't want to have both genitals, you know, because if you ever get incarcerated, whichever place they send you, that opposite sex go have their way with you. You know what I mean? So you don't want that. So we go get that like that. I'm gonna keep stirring it right here and the crunch down, make sure all the cookies break down. And we use ginger snaps because it is the holiday season and ginger snaps got that peppery taste to it. You know what I mean? These boys just came in from Germany, man. I learned a little German. Let's see. It's being Kali muscle.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, that's pretty good, huh?
That's good.
I looked up to, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This is how I get God out of too. I looked up to Hitler, man. I know a lot of y'all might say that's weird, but you know, me being a leader and a killer, like, you know, we admire other leaders and killers. You know what I mean? That man, hey, he invented roids. He invented Mercedes-Benz. He invented HKs, Uzis, all type of stuff, bro. Methamphetamine. Hitler, man. Come on. Yeah, y'all can't deny it, man. All y'all dope heads, guess where your dope got invented from? Hitler. So all y'all that's anti-Hitler, but you use dope, or you driving Mercedes-Benz, or you got guns, 40 cows, SK, all that, you admire Hitler, man. I'm just saying, bro. Ooh, it's come together nice, baby. Now we're gonna put some fruit snacks up in it. You know, this is my favorite. This is how I get all my probiotics and all my vitamins, man. This right here is secret to my success, man. And I know a lot of these, when a lot of your favorite personal trainers and all these nutrition specialists see this video, first thing they're gonna say, diabetes! That's diabetes. But here it is, they fat mama obese. Their grandmama, uncles, everybody obese in their family. but they trying to act like they giving advice on the internet. Sit your down, broke boy. Let the gangsters show these youngsters how to get these calories. Somebody said I'm too masculine. Toxic, they call it toxic masculinity, man. They say I'm too alpha, man. Cause the texture gotta be thick when you put it in the microwave. You don't want it watery. So this gonna be a good 7,500 calorie cake, man. Oh, there it is. Look at that texture. There you go. You want it like cake batter. Thick. Thick like my Croatian girl, man. Thick. You know what I'm talking about? So we gonna come here like this. Now I know a lot of these recidivist inmate cars. Hey, this fake. How you get a microwave? I'm a baller, sucker. I'm famous, sucker. Yeah, just cause you broke boys, y'all don't get no special privileges when you go to jail cause you broke. Nobody love you on the street. You ain't even going to canteen, nigga. They don't question my authority. You hear me? Yeah, no. I'm sorry about that, y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Field crew from Derby. I just get amped up when I think about suckers talking, man, to a gangster. We're gonna put this on 6 minutes, man. And then I'll be back with y'all, man. Yeah, I do about 1,000 of these a day, man. That's why I'm bigger than y'all, man. You cats on the streets with creatine, protein, Psalms, roids, you name it, and y'all still look like out there, bro. And I'm eating crappy food, make y'all look like peons. These bots, they y'all bots. You're programmed by your mama and grandmama, cause you didn't have no father, cause he left your ugly mama. So you gotta try to decipher the texture when you get it out the microwave. If it's too moist, leave it in for a little longer. If it's nice and firm, that's when you let it cool off. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on. What's happening? Huh? What's happening? Miss Fields, Miss Cake Maker, Fruitcake Makers, Betty Crocker. Ain't got nothing on me, baby. You know, you gotta let this cool off for a little while. So unfortunately, I don't have no refrigerator, but I got my bad little thick European correctional officer, man. There she go. What's up, baby? How you doing?
Good.
Ooh, you looking good in that correctional outfit as usual.
You need a favor, another favor, huh?
Always. I give you favor when I'm on the streets. How much all that money I was giving you a month. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not complaining.
Well,
What do you need today?
yeah. How my babies doing?
Oh, they're doing fine.
This the girl. I had twins with her, y'all. Don't tell nobody on the internet. Don't tell nobody on the internet, y'all. Hey, film crew. Make sure, man, y'all don't talk about that, man.
Okay.
I appreciate that. So yeah, can you put this in the fridge for me, little mama?
Yeah.
Watch your hand, it's hot.
Oh, okay, thank you.
All right, I appreciate you.
Really good.
Yeah, give me some pictures of my babies.
All right, I'll make sure I'll bring some in.
All right, don't be talking to these other suckers up in here. Little jack off boys when they see you.
I cannot promise you.
Yeah, these little suckers in here be jacking off to you when you walk by these cells. Bring it back in about 30 minutes. Little mama, is that ready?
Inmate Cali Muscle, I think we're ready to go.
Why you gotta say all the inmate though?
You guys are all inmates in here.
You guys? I got babies with you, girl. Oh, you gotta play the role so I know they here. Okay, I got you. I appreciate that. Thanks for the play too, baby.
Of course.
Give me them pictures of my babies,
I
man.
will. I'll bring them for you.
All right, I appreciate that. You looking good, man. So here we go, baby. That's what it's looking like. So I'm gonna try to do the flipper. Ooh, there it is, baby. Come on now. Come on now. But I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. So that's how it look on that side. Maybe I could keep it on that side. Or y'all want to see the other side? Y'all want to see the other side? Come on. Oh, Betty Crocker, Martha Stewart. None of they ugly got nothing on me, man. That's beautiful. Fruitcake, man. Hyphy fruitcake, baby. Hey, you put some of that honey on there, man. That honey, a lot of y'all don't know about this honey, man. This is a secret to having a high testosterone, high libido. Cut that right there. Bop, 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 bop. Cut that right there. Bop, 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 bop. See, this fruitcake is real rich, man. So you want to take your time with it, man. So here we go, baby. First bite of the day. Let's see. Lord, thank you for this food. Thank you for keeping me COVID free. Thank you for keeping my baby safe, my baby mama the CO. Make sure that these suckers push up on her. Make sure she keep her JJ clean for me so when I get out that it ain't blew out. We ask that you keep getting me rich. And make sure that this film crew right here give me my check that they've been prolonging about giving me my check so I ain't got to kill them up in here, catch a case, and get death row. I love you. Amen. Here we go, baby. Oh God. Oh God. Let me put my arm right there so y'all don't see that moisture. Bruh. I ain't. No, nigga. You can't have none. Best fruitcake in the world right here, bro. So a soda. 20 cents, man. Well, I got it for free because they sponsored me. Trail mix, that's almost 50 cents, man. Little honey, this bottle is expensive, it costs $10, but it lasts me for a year. So then, let's see, I use that. The cookies, ginger snaps. Hold on, ginger snaps, that was $1 a box. Whole cake, 7,500 calorie cake. It was only $2, man. Give me a sip of this. They like, now everybody, I read my comments, everybody eats so healthy. Everybody in my comments said that, you supposed to be a fitness role model. You've been eating this and that and shut your up body up. I just want to say y'all keep pushing for success, stay happy. Hey, F everybody. If you focus on your goal and dreams, you ain't got time to be worried about nobody else. You know what I'm saying? Like me right now, my focus is getting more muscular. So when I get out, because OnlyFans just emailed me. So I might go on there, do a little that with the YouTube, Facebook, and bam. You know, I'm formulating a new hyphy mud products. So we gonna keep it cranking, baby. I might come out with a water. You know what I mean? I already bought up half of LA with real estate. Now we moving on to Vegas. Now I met them from Germany. I'm gonna see what's happening in Germany. Phew! Mad at me and my fruitcake. You mad. And God! Cut camera, you mother dirty. You better have my check, mother.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.